Good evening, everyone.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, sir.
Very good evening, ma.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, ma. Anya. Once check that what we have discussed in the last class, because
Sir,
now I am going to ask questions.
sir,
So check that. Tell me, Nagbashnu.
sir, I have a doubt, sir. Now t square is equal to 4 pi square a cube by gm is there, right?
Mm-hmm.
Last
Yes,
class. Sir, that's true for all ellipses, elliptical orbits.
yes, yes. Basing on the mass, yes, it is true.
Sir,
Radius,
so whenever they give, like when they give such question, we can use this formula, right?
we can use even some more modification that you can do in that problem if you want. Time period is there, right? In that
Yes,
mass
sir.
place, you can write density into volume also in terms of
Yes, sir.
density.
That will be easy, sir.
Okay, wherever if you see mass, instead of that you can write that formula basing on density and okay, volume also, no problem for that. Okay, clear, Nagbhushan?
Yes, sir.
Okay, look at this. I'm going to conclude like what we have discussed in this lesson. And do you have any doubts? How many formulas are there? So basing on the formulas, mostly we will solve the sums. Okay, so how to use that formulas, because even Kepler's laws also we have studied. Now whatever I will write here, that concepts, did you understand or not? After that, there is a IIT concept, it is there, like what is the gravitational intensity, gravitational field intensity due to solid sphere or due to a spherical shell. Okay, two concepts are there. And even
Sir,
tell me, ma.
sir, in board we didn't do geostationary satellites and
Geostationary satellite only, about satellites we discussed, right?
yes,
Satellite
sir,
is,
but
yeah,
sir,
geostationary
geostationary.
geostationary satellites, nothing but any one celestial body is revolve. What is satellite generally? What do you think about satellite?
Sir, a celestial body revolving around a bigger
Yes,
body.
geostationary satellite means any object if it is revolving around the earth, then it is a satellite for earth. Okay, so advantages we know. What are the advantages of satellite? Anybody, can you say what are the
Yes,
advantages of?
sir, but our teacher told the geostationary satellite is a satellite whose relative velocity and change in movement is zero with
Relative
respect to
Earth.
Earth.
So relative velocity zero, no
Yes, sir.
velocity, right?
Yes, sir. Like it'll continuously move with the Earth.
Earth
Orbital.
stationary, yes. Okay,
That's
that is
not possible.
okay. Let's see what are the topics are there that we will
Sir,
discuss. So in this lesson, what we
sir,
have discussed, how many, hello,
how is that possible, sir?
how it is possible when
Zero
it
velocity is not possible in,
zero velocity, not relative velocity zero.
oh, compared to the Earth.
Yes,
Okay.
compared to the earth, what is the velocity of the earth? Even that satellite also having velocity. When the, suppose one bus is moving 10 meter per second speed and one more bus also moving with 10 meter per second speed, what is the relative velocity between them?
Zero.
Zero, like that. Okay, that is the concept of relative velocity. Okay, so just a minute, what we have discussed till now in this lesson, look at this. Gravitation in this total lesson, what we have discussed. Gravity, is it, I explained about gravity. What is gravity? What is gravity? In the
Between
first class,
Earth and any other body.
what is that?
Attractive.
Attractive force between Earth and any other body near inside the Earth's gravitational field.
Yes, so it is the attraction force between earth and the objects which are near the earth or on the surface of the earth, whatever it may be. Okay, that is called gravity. Gravitation,
The
gravitation,
attractive force between any two
yes,
universes.
gravitational force between any two objects in the universe, that is nothing but gravitation. Okay, now after this I explained Newton's law, right? Newton's law of gravitation. Newton's law of gravitation. What is Newton's law of gravitation? What it will explain? It tells,
Sir, the
Directly proportional to their
yes,
masses.
it tells about the attraction force. So Newton's
sir,
law
the
of
quantitative
gravitation,
information.
yes, quantitative information about attraction force between two objects which having mass. If any two objects, if you consider any two objects, if the two objects having mass, definitely there will be a attraction force between them. So that attraction force is depending on which factors. So that is what we have discussed. That is F is equal G m1 like m small m by r squared. This is what
Sir,
attraction force. Tell me, hello.
sir, what are you discussing now?
No, till now what we have discussed in the gravitation lesson that I am telling. If you have any doubts in the concepts, let me know. Okay.
Yes.
So most of the things over, only just 15-20% lesson is pending with the problems. That's all. Remaining everything is over. Once we will recall what we have discussed. After some small IIT topic is there that I will explain. Then what are the 20% topic is there with the problems in the next class. I will complete the lesson. Then we can go to next book, part 2. Okay. So that is the reason. Now look at this. This is the attraction force.
Sir, part 2 you will start the first chapter, right?
First chapter only. Elasticity. I will start that.
Yes, sir. Because in school they have finished that. That's why I'm just telling.
They finished also. Okay.
Sir, but we still have the Christmas vacations, right? So,
Sir, anyway, sir, in the
Sir.
name of inspection, no classes are happening for us. Physics classes, basically, it's been a week since we had a class.
Okay.
Sir, in your college, are there holidays coming up?
In my college, huh?
Yes, sir.
3 days they will give. That's all, Nagbhushnam. 3 days.
Sir, which college
Sir.
do you teach, sir?
SCA, CPU College, Kerpuram.
Sir, they won't give like 10 days because in our school they give.
They given 10 days to holidays to you people.
Yes, sir. They
We have
usually
14.
14
It's
days, sir.
usual break only. Every
Sir,
year we are
12
having.
or
It's not a
14, sir.
surprise to.
Okay. Great.
Every year, in same time, we have 10 days break.
Okay.
In that time, I'm planning some.
What you are planning?
I'm finished
Dura?
most of my work. I don't.
Huh? Prashant?
They're all competitive questions. I finished.
Then it is better. Nice.
Competitive part, I want to finish some part.
Okay.
I want school homework and all I'll do last.
Yes.
Last days. I
Look at
can't
this.
do now.
Okay. In my college, only 3 or 4 days. That's all. More than that. And even institute also, they will give how many 3 days? Maximum sir will give 3 days. Okay. Because we have to complete the, maybe by ending of your holidays, we can complete at least 2 lessons in the second part, I think. I guess. Let's see. Okay.
That's,
So this is
as
what
per my
gravitation.
observation, sir, in
Ah.
second part, it's only application of first part. If you are understand
Second part
these
is
concepts,
very easy. So this much time.
except
it won't take.
thermodynamics, sir.
Except thermodynamics, it won't take this much time.
Sir?
It will move very fast. Lesson.
Sir, I have a doubt, sir. Thermodynamics is concept is same as chemistry, but application is different, right?
Yes, same as how what
Sir,
you learned.
so, sir,
Yeah, I'm feeling so happy that you learned
Internal energy, heat, work, everything, sir.
some of the concept that I will skip because you learned in the chemistry, right?
yes, sir.
Sir, no, sir, don't do that, sir.
Excuse me, sir.
And
Please.
Ashmi, tell me, ma.
So what are we talking about? Which
we-
topic?
We are talking about gravitation, Ashmi. Okay. Now I started what I'm telling, what we have discussed till now in this gravitation lesson. That's what we are going to discuss. Okay. After this,
sir,
one
but
topic I will
physics
start.
thermodynamics is different than chemistry, right?
Not much difference. There is a 30% it is different. That's all. More
So,
than now.
but our school physics sir told that is almost completely different.
No, not completely. You will see now whatever I'm explaining. Carnot cycle, it is there or not?
No, sir. Application is different, sir.
Okay.
Application is
Carnot cycle will be
chemistry.
here. Carnot cycle is not there in the chemistry. Sato, it is
No,
there.
sir.
Sir, don't skip anything in that. You
Yes,
can
sir, please, sir.
explain,
Simply I
but
said,
please don't
simply I
skip.
said, if I skip also, will you allow me to skip? I know that. Okay. Simply I said, I didn't even start that lesson.
Sir, we
Okay,
are
I
wasting
told
your time.
that you people listen very nicely, so I don't want to teach like that. I said simply because first I will ask if you know that, then maybe I don't explain that. If you don't know, I should explain. No, I will explain each and everything. I don't skip like that. Simply I said, look at this. Concentrate here. So gravity, gravitation, Newton's law of gravitation. Here, what is G? What is G here?
Universal gravitation
Okay, so
constant.
when they have given two masses, find out the gravitational force between the two masses, then you can use this formula. Keep in your mind this formula, okay? So it is the first formula that we learned in this lesson. First formula it is. Second, now look at this. After relation between small g and capital G, that's what we have discussed. What is the relation between small g and capital G?
Sir, a small g is variable, whereas capital G is constant.
Relation, one relation I given, right?
Okay, yes, sir, yes, sir, sir. G m by
Gm by r square.
Gm by r square. So this
Yes,
is the
yes.
relation between small g and capital G. It is also useful. Don't forget it. Second formula that we have learned. And after that, we have discussed variation of G. How G will vary. Okay. How G will vary with respect to height. Right? First one. With respect to height. What is the formula that we got? GH equal to G into. What is the formula? That G will vary with respect to height.
Sir, 1 minus 2h by r
1 minus 2h by r.
whole square.
Whole square is
Whole
there.
square.
Okay. Whole square.
Square won't be.
Yes. Check once.
Sir, in my notebook I wrote whole square.
So it is r by r plus h whole square, no?
When you will get r by
It's
r
not all
h,
square, sir.
that time it will come. Okay. In this formula, it won't come. Check that.
Okay, sir.
Now, it is due to height. Due to depth, how it will vary? GD equal to
R minus d by r. G into
G into r
r minus d by r.
by r. Due to rotation, important. Okay. Tell me what is the due to rotation, how it will change?
Sir?
G inversely proportional to r square.
Just a minute, no? It is number 3. It is number 4. Number 5. Due to rotation. Tell me now, due to rotation, G equal to something rotation. How much due to rotation?
G minus
Sir,
r
G
omega
minus
square.
omega square r.
G minus omega square.
Omega square r.
Cos pi we have given. So number 5 formulas. Tell me now, Bashnu, what you are asking. So in one page,
Sir, I
each
wanted to
there
say
line
that,
wise.
sir,
Tell me.
say that, sir, in that variation of G, they can ask relative error, right?
Relative error.
Yes, sir. I think they may ask.
Okay, in this lesson,
Yes, sir. Like we learned errors, right? Maybe they can correlate to this.
yeah, correlate, because there will be some errors everywhere.
Yes, sir.
Yes, errors will be there. Now, whatever lessons that we are discussing, each and everything, there will be error, no doubt in that. Okay, write down this. Till now,
Sir,
5
this
formulas I
test
have
and
written.
strain one experiment is there, sir. Like they'll keep a weighing scale and they'll suspend a block, like some spring. I am not able to remember exactly.
Okay.
But same thing is applicable for crane and weighing balance.
Okay.
I don't know exactly, sir. We're discussing it.
Yeah. Let's see. What are the topics are that we will. Okay, write down line wise, because again, when you are revising, what is there in that lesson, that you should get idea. Okay, so in the first page itself, first or last page. What are the topics are there? On each and every topic that you have idea or not, you have to check. And I sent all question papers written, right? I think if you have
Yes,
any
sir.
doubt that you will ask, but mostly I corrected properly. So check once, only just especially Santosh, because he was not there from the first. So I
Sir,
didn't
you
explain
didn't
anything.
give marks for many questions, sir.
Santosh, many questions are maybe it's not correct.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. I didn't give marks means it's not correct. I don't give like 0 and all. So I didn't, I read that. I didn't feel like it's correct answer.
Coefficient of equation, coefficient of restitution definition also is not correct.
I didn't understand the definition first itself. Tell me what is the coefficient of registration, what you have written. Okay, it's not. Check once, okay?
Okay, sir.
Yeah, it's not. I didn't understand that definition itself. First time that's I studied that. It is the relative velocity of separation by relative velocity of approach, right? That is the ratio of coefficient of restitution. Check once, you'll get idea. So completed. Have you written this, Asmi?
So just a minute, please.
Yes.
Sir, I have a
Sir,
doubt.
Minutes.
Nagbhush, ask ma.
Sir, here omega varies for the planet.
Omega angle, yeah, all planets is it revolve with the same angular velocity? Yeah?
No, sir, not like that. Like, sir, on Earth,
Yes.
does omega vary or it doesn't vary?
On Earth, it won't vary. Omega is, it won't vary. It's constant, no? See, omega is nothing but angle. How it is rotating, that is only. On Earth, not. It is due to the rotation of the one of the body with the axis. Okay? On Earth, it won't vary.
excuse me, sir.
Tell me. Hello?
Sir, you didn't correct my 20 and 21st question. Like, is it wrong or something? Because I don't know what's wrong in that.
Is it? What's wrong also didn't find? Okay, I will check.
I mean, sir, you haven't written anything.
I didn't even write, so maybe it's not correct. Okay.
Like, you have just like put a
I
dash,
understand.
I
I
guess.
understand. Dash I put. So I studied that. It's not correct.
Like, could you explain why?
Yeah. Sure. That's what I'm checking.
So in the second variation of G depth formula, that is R minus D by R only, no?
Not total R. Just a minute. Bar go out.
Was that R or is it 1 minus D by R?
One minus D by R. R minus D by R. We can take R common, so that 1 minus D by R will be there. Yes. Risha, what is your Risha? It is not there like Risha, right?
Yes, sir.
It will be.
So what? Sorry.
What is the name that you
Sir,
added?
it's R Manjalkar.
Just a minute. Yes.
So could you like explain those two questions?
Yes. 20.
So the 20th and 21st one.
Oh. Risha, it is correct, Risha. 10%, right? Oh. 21st question is what? 21st question is not correct. 21st question, sorry, 20 question is not correct. 21st is correct. Increase in kinetic energy. So many scratches are there, no? So I get. Okay. So 21st, that is 3-mark question, right? Again, I should see the question paper, that what question I have given. Just
Sir, are you talking about the 21st question?
yes.
Sir, you gave well, mine was 10%, even I got 10%.
Yes, I did that. Yeah.
Sir, even the 16th question, what's wrong in that also?
16th, just a minute.
Yes, sir.
Just
Could you explain the
yeah.
16th and the
Just I
20th
sent
question?
20th question. Just a minute. I think you have completed, right? See, I don't know, 16th, everyone they did mistake. I know how they can do that.
Sir,
Okay, it is strikes the wall. Okay, it is makes how much?
sir, this question.
Yes,
that
sir.
in-
Sir, this question my brother
I
did
didn't
correct
mistake,
and
sir.
you
I
didn't
got this
mark
correct.
correct.
No. I checked. I think. See, its own. Is
Sir,
it?
I got
Are you
marks
getting
for
that
that, sir.
change in
Sir, I got
change in-
full, sir. For
Yes,
this
ma.
question.
Yeah. Change in momentum is now. It will come in the 2 or sin theta or cos theta. What is the formula for change in momentum for this? Can you say? Everyone they took.
I'll come with sine theta.
Yes.
And I
Sir,
wrote
1
my
minute, sir. I'm
cos.
just
I only
1
wrote
minute.
cos theta. I got final answer also correct only because cos and sine the values are same over
Yes,
there.
sir. That's why I took cos theta because it's
Is it-
45 degrees, right?
They
So
have
it
given
does not make
45.
any change. Yeah.
Yeah, sir. Like the value will be the same only. Final answer will get
Oh,
same
I didn't
only.
see that cos 45. Just
Yes, sir. That's why I
Even
took cos theta.
yeah. Then it's correct.
Sir, so even I should get marks in that
Yes.
then.
Sir, but you can't leave it carelessly, no, sir. You should take it exactly. How can
Sir,
you
but
say?
it's the same thing, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Because they are
No, no, no,
45,
no,
we can
no.
No, we
even
can.
mark the
No.
How
other
can you
angle
say?
as 45.
They are
Prashant.
two different quantities, no, sir. Cos and
Generally,
sine are-
so if you take even yeah, correct. If you take even you should not take cos theta place. You should write sin theta only.
Sir, but if we
Yeah,
take,
values are
if
same.
we consider the other angle also, like if we find the other angle, the angle between the normal and the,
Yes,
I'm not
sir.
able
It
to-
depends on the angle we take. If you take the
so
middle,
if we take the
see,
other angle, then
no.
we can consider that, right?
No. They
Because
mentioned
both of them.
in question. They mentioned what they mentioned. Did you see that question? Question they mentioned that is making angle with wall.
Yes, sir, I took that as 45 and then I found the other angle. So
But
basically
you
that
didn't
would be
write sin.
90 minus
No,
45,
tell me the
right?
formula. Okay, now tell me. Suppose tell me the formula. I didn't give any angle. Okay.
Sir, that's a 2-marker question.
Sir, then it is, sir, but here they've given the angle, right? So we can do it anyway. We
I
can
am also
find
giving
the other
angle.
angle.
Yes, ma. I am also giving angle. It is I given theta.
Sir,
Theta is the angle which is making
but
with wall. Okay.
by law of physics, you should not do that, sir. How can
Yes.
you say, like, in case, by case, if you get 30 degree, what you will be writing cos
Yes.
30 and sin 30?
Obviously.
You will interchange
Listen.
that, right?
Sir, I
You should take it
considered the
seriously,
other
no?
angle.
Yes,
Sir,
sir.
I
Listen.
found out the
Yes.
other angle.
But you
Sir.
can't find out, Trisha, that you can't do. Why?
Sir, but
Because
they've given the angle, right? 45
Sir.
degrees. So we
Sir,
can
let
find the
me
other
tell
angle
you.
as 90 minus 45.
yes, when you are writing for formula, you have to write formula for only. So in this situation, if the ball is making angle with theta with the wall, then cos theta will get cancelled actually. Cos thetas will get cancelled. Then how it can cos theta you can write. I know values are same. 45 is values are same, but it does not mean that you can change the formula, right? It does not mean you can change the value even that formula. Now formula will become 2v sine theta, right? 2p sine theta. Change in momentum is mv sine theta. It will be the minus mv sine theta is the change in momentum actually. You can't change the formula, no? Otherwise, why they have mentioned only theta here? Okay, if it is theta means cos theta will get cancelled. Sin theta will be there. So when I saw the cos theta only, just I know how you have given values are same. So you return. So when I saw
Sir,
the
but
cos
this
theta, I felt like
formula
values are same. No, I didn't see that 45, but a formula is wrong. They have written, so I given like that. Even everyone
Sir,
they will
if it
correct like
was,
that.
sir, if it was 30 degrees, I would take with the wall, sir, because it was 45 degrees and also reflection was at the same angle.
But Raghubhushan, even question itself, what they mentioned, did you see?
Sir, I saw, sir, it was with wall and it was reflected with the same angle. Yes,
Nah, but with the wall they mentioned. So cos
yes, sir,
theta
I
is
got it.
cancelled. Yes.
Yes, sir. But it was 45 degrees, so I ignored that.
No, we can't do that. No,
Sir, but
formula
the
is formula,
final
right?
Yes, sir.
answer would be same, right?
See, Risha, I will do so many methods to
Sir,
get
like
the
this,
final answer.
sir,
Okay.
sir, one thing.
Mm.
But if you take 30 and if it's projected at 60-degree, how can you say that they are same? You can't,
We can't,
because
sir, like
we
that
have
only.
to we have to consider law of physics. We
Yes.
have to consider
No, Risha, what I'm
trigonometry
saying,
and
to
cosine
get to
conventions.
get the answer, so many methods are there, but each and every method that you can't use. Okay. So sin theta, cos theta, because resolution of vectors we did, in that resolution of vectors, what we learned, cos theta will be which side, theta will be there, that side cos theta, remaining side sin theta. So formula you can't write now. I felt like they don't know formula, so I cut the marks. If you know the formula, you will write the exact thing. No, you can't think, you can't depend on the value. Both values are same, but you can depend on the formula, because formula is not wrong. Formula is always correct. Values can be different. Yes, Sarisha, that we can't do. So finally, when I'm seeing that formula only, I given wrong. Those who written sin theta here, I given marks. Immediately I given marks, because formula I have idea. If angle is making here, so sin theta will come in that formula. If angle is making here, then it will be in the towards cos theta angle. That I know. So basing on the formulas that I corrected, we can't do that. We can't change the formula. Formula also should be correct when we are using. I understood that both are same, so you have given like that. Not only answer, even we should depend first formula. We can't change these things. Otherwise, they should not mention theta is making with the wall. They mention particularly this is the angle is making with the wall. Okay, so we can't change that. If they don't mention anything that you can take, they mention no, so you can't take like that.
So here we had to take cos 45.
Cos thetas are cancelled. Sin theta only you can take.
Okay.
Okay, causes are cancelled. If it is making theta with here theta is there, then it will become sin theta, and here also when it is rebounces in this direction sin theta. Now here sin thetas will get cancelled, so formula will become change in momentum equal to minus mv minus 2mv cos theta. Here it is the cos theta, there it is the sin theta. So we have to depend on angle. That angle is making towards the wall or normal. That we have to think definitely. So not only me, those who will correct this type of problems, definitely they will see the formula. If formula is correct, whatever you did, it will become correct. So
Sir?
that's what I corrected. Tell me.
Sir, nothing.
Even formed also up to an extent, sir. If you know resolution of vectors, you understand that, you will get it, sir.
Yes.
I got like that. I don't know formula on that.
Yes, Risha. We can't do that. Okay, values are same also.
Yes, sir,
Formula
yeah.
should be correct. So that is not. One more. You asked me that what is the something
Yes,
two
sir.
bodies I given. It is 2 kg body, and it is something 3 kgs or something I given, right? And in this direction I am applying force 5 Newton, right? Something problem I given that I have to see in the question paper itself.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. You gave such problem.
So what I asked, how much of force is acting on the 3 kg body due to 2 kg? That's what I asked, right, Risha?
Yes, sir. So the answer will be negative.
Not negative. No to take
But
negative. So how
sir,
much
we,
normal force? Here we have to take normal
yes,
force.
sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay.
I wrote a
So here
negative.
acceleration
Sir,
equal
it's
to 1.
5 newtons.
So force is 5 Newton. How much I given? Force.
Yes, sir. 5 only, I think.
Okay, that's
So
why I got it wrong. I took it as 6 newtons. Okay, yeah, fine. I got
maybe
my
I
mistake.
think okay, yes. I think question paper maybe you didn't see it's not visible I think properly. So if it is not visible, I will check once, okay? Question paper once I will check.
So there was one question where you had given vectors and I don't remember the question exactly. You had given in 3. It was there in the optional question. Like you can do this or that. What the question name?
So something, right? One F I given like this. It is
Simple
F1.
vectors.
It is
So
one more F2 I given.
was the question somewhat wrong, or didn't give some angle?
Sir,
Sir,
I think it was supposed to be vertically opposite angles, but it didn't look like.
Sir,
Like
yes, sir.
this here,
Sir, there are 3 vectors.
One more
one more
Angle
vector
this
will be there.
question, there are
Sir, I
options are
assumed the
orange.
angle to be
I
45
understand
degrees.
this.
And even though, so if you assume also they ask F1 plus something, F2 minus F3, right?
Yes, sir.
So
How
here
to
what you have to do, yes, F will get 2 along J direction or I direction. That force vector will come, okay? Force in terms of vector it will come. F2 also two vectors will be there. It is only one positive I cap direction. F3 also maybe if you resolve you will get I and J. So you have to add like that actually. I didn't remember the question because it's not there in the mobile. So that resolution we have to do. If you resolve now, one F1 will be in this direction, F1 cos theta will be here, and F2 sin theta will be here. So this all vectors you have to resolve like along X direction, along Y direction.
Yes, sir. So next class, can you explain that question properly? Like,
Sure.
Sir, what is law of conservation of energy? Like
Energy can
you
be
told
neither be created nor be destroyed.
Sir, I wrote that only. You didn't give marks.
Law of conservation of energy, is it I asked? Momentum.
Yeah,
Sir,
state
you
the
didn't ask.
law of conservation of energy. 24th question.
Okay, yes, sir. Yes, sir. You asked, I think, that
Sir,
body.
I just did one part. I didn't do the second part of the question. So should I get like little bit marks for that?
No, wait. Just let me check. Question number?
24.
24th. Oh, okay. Law of conservation of. It is a 5-mark question. 3-mark question or 5?
Yes, sir, I wrote only one part. The first part of the question was state the law of conservation of energy. And I didn't do the rest of the part.
Law of conservation of energy state that energy can be. Is it 5-mark question? 3. It is 3, I think.
Sir, it's 5-mark question. The question is state the law of conservation of energy. Show
Okay.
that the total mechanical energy.
Mechanical energy. 1,
yeah.
2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So only 5 marks you return 3. Yes, once I will recheck. Asmi, even Ananya.
Sir,
Hello?
I'm Risha.
Yes,
No.
sir.
Ananya, Risha, yours I corrected. No, somebody's papers also are there. Once I will recheck and I will send. Okay.
Sir, you called me.
Yes. I will recheck once and I will send you. Okay. Whatever the things you have written.
Sir, but you already rechecked last class.
Yes. Okay. So now look at this, ma. So what we have written? Formulas, right? How many formulas that you got till now?
5.
Only till rotation, sir. Rotation. In rotation, what is the
Depth
value of
over
G?
rotation over. Okay. Now
Sir, we have to do shape now.
So due to shape is nothing but like, we know, right? At poles, acceleration due to gravity more. At equator, acceleration due to gravity will be less. Due to shape, there is no any formula. Okay, no need to write. Now, one more formula. So now electric field intensity. So God, gravitational field intensity. It is denoted with letter E bar. So due to point charge, how much field will be there? So gravitational field intensity is nothing but force by mass, actually. Force by mass. So from here, even we can write force formula F is equal to EM. So gravitational field intensity is a vector quantity. So ME bar. E bar. Okay. This is the one more formula that we will utilize to solve the problems. Now itself I'm giving all formulas. So when you are reading question, which formula that you have to use, you should find. It is the, now one more. It is the gravitational field intensity formula. Now due to point mass, gravitational field intensity will be Gm by R square. Gm by R square. It is gravitational field intensity due to mass, point mass. If you consider mass of the body is as a point, due to this mass, at R distance, if you consider one of the point, at this point, field intensity will be this much. Am I clear this formula or any doubt? Hello? Asmi, am I clear, ma?
Clear, sir.
Yes. Risha?
Yes, sir, clear.
Right. See, here intensity. How can you find where is the more intensity means? At which, like how much force is acting? If more force is acting, more intensity. More force is acting on what? Mass. If more force is acting on the mass, that means it is attracting strongly. Okay. So how much force is acting on the mass? That tells the gravitational field intensity. If they give force and mass, we can find out intensity. Even if you place any mass in the gravitational field, how much force is acting on that means we can write this. Please, it is the gravitational field. In the gravitational field, one mass I place. So if any mass is present in the gravitational field, on that mass, force will act. That force is ME. Keep in your mind. Now, due to point mass, potential is possible, electric field is possible. So due to point mass, electric field formula is, due to point mass, gravitational field intensity will be there and gravitational potential will be there. That potential is Gm by R. This is the potential formula. It is field intensity formula and it is potential formula. So look at this difference. F is equal to G capital M by R square. If you take this formula, if there is no mass, then field intensity. If there is no mass and one distance, then it will become potential. Okay. So it is my sixth formula. What is the formula number?
Sixth.
It is sixth and it is seventh. When you have to use this formula, if any mass is present in the gravitational field, on that field, how much force is acting means this much, 7. And it is my eighth formula. That eighth formula is gravitational field intensity due to point mass. It will be due to point mass, due to single mass. Okay, single mass we will consider as a point mass. This concept is very important because it is depending on this upcoming one more topic is there. Now it is potential. Potential also not potential energy. It is potential. Which potential? Gravitational potential. So gravitational potential formula, this is one. Actually potential formula potential equal to, sorry, potential is not vector quantity, okay, scalar, no one said that. So potential equal to work by mass, work done to bring a mass from infinity to any point in the field is called potential. Work done to bring mass from infinity to any point in the field is called potential. This formula, after resolving that, we got Gm by R. First we will calculate work, that work by mass. If you do, you will get this. This is the formula of ninth formula it is. Okay, mostly by next class I will try to complete even problems also. Each and every formula, basing on that one formula, one problem, I will explain. So that's more than enough, I guess. That's enough. Now, so one more is there, that is gravitational potential energy. Gravitational potential, oh god, you can't see that.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, write down this. Write down here. Now next, gravitational potential energy. It is energy. It is just potential. Potential energy. So potential energy formula U equal to minus G m m by R. Do you know why we are writing minus here? Anybody can say?
It is being
Because of
shifted from infinity to a
the
particular
gravitation.
point.
And always
Because it is within the potential of Earth, that is why.
inside towards the center. Okay, inside it is. Energy will be towards in. So that's what we got the formula. It is gravitational potential. Can we define gravitational potential energy for the single mass?
No.
So single mass, it is not possible. 2 or more than masses if we take, then we can use. Okay, and it is my 10th formula. One more, relation between V and E. You know, if people knows what is V and E. What is V here? Potential. E means gravitational field
Intensity.
intensity. Okay, so that relation important. Problems are there. So one problem also I will explain on this. So write this. That is V equal to, what is the relation that we got?
Sir, E is equal to
GM.
dr.
E equal to
Yes, sir. E is equal to dV by dr.
E equal to dV by dr. Okay, so from this, okay, you can't see that. I don't want to write. See each and every formula and topic also. Potential is nothing but work done to bring a mass from one place to another place, like from infinity to any point in the field. Okay, so relation between me, so E equal to dV by dr. So from this, dV equal to E dr. Position, so it can be vector. So sometimes it is useful like E dr also, cos theta also, because dot product always gives the cos theta. So we can use even this formula here. So write down this. And this electric field, sorry, gravitational field, it is a vector quantity. So it can be along x direction, it can be along y direction, it can be along z direction. So that time what will happen means, actual formula is, this is what actual formula. So now it is a vector quantity, right? So we can write dou v by dou x, dou v by
Sir, how?
partial integration. It is partial
Sir,
differentiation. Sorry, it is
how is
partial.
partial differentiation done? Like differentiation we know.
Partial differentiation means with what we have to do, total different. When we are doing differentiation with respect to x, then y and z should be constant. Okay. Differentiation means we will differentiate the entire thing, entire thing that we
The
will
cos
differentiate.
theta will be constant.
Yes, it is I cap along x direction. It is partial differentiation means when we are differentiating with respect to x, then y and z should be 0, and ey equal to minus dou v by dou y j cap, and z direction Ez equal to, very useful. Okay, see the problem I will give you, dou v by dou z j cap, sorry k cap. So finally E net equal to minus dou v by dou x I cap plus minus dou v by dou y j cap plus, if you take even minus also no problem, minus dou v by dou z k cap. This is the E net because it is a vector quantity, right? So we have
Now
to
we
use.
can't see below that.
I got it.
So could you push the camera back?
Sir, the camera is magnified, right?
Yes, magnified. You will get to know what is magnification the next year. Just a minute, ma. Thus you can't see. It is formula number. Formula number
So 11.
11. It is 12. We can use like this 13. So one more is, this is the thing, means it is a vector quantity. It can be x direction, it can be y direction, it can be z direction. Partial differentiation we will do. Why we have to do partial differentiation? When we are doing the partial differentiation, it is with respect to x. When they have given v, if you want to calculate E, that we can, it is the actually scalar. Okay, remember, potential is a scalar quantity. So yeah, when you are differentiating scalar, how can you get vectors? So we will differentiate this scalar with x, y and z based on the question. Okay, when you are differentiating with respect to x, y and z should be constant. When you are differentiating with respect to y, x and z should be constant, so constant differentiation is 0. Like that we will make. After finding that E net value, because E is a vector quantity, right? So E net value you should write like, place is not enough for not. So E net equal to minus dou v by dou x I cap minus dou v by dou y j cap minus dou v by dou z k cap. So first, if you differentiate, how much value we will get with respect to x? If you do, how much value you will get, that value you will substitute here. One problem if you do, you will get to know. So it is my 14th problem, sorry, 14th formula. Very important formula, that is, write down. We can take minus here common and we can give even pluses also, no problem for that, but you can write. Okay, it is 14th. Now look at this. Even dv also we got negative only, so keep in mind. Now look at this, dv equal to, it is a vector and it is also vector, so it can be along x, y, z. So it is nothing but xi cap plus yj cap plus zk cap, like that it will be there. So in this dr, look at this, what I'm writing. Ex dx I cap plus ey dy j cap plus ez dz k cap. Here dx dy dz. So dr bar is nothing but dx plus dy plus dz along x direction, along y direction, along z direction, I cap, so I cap, j cap, k cap. So it can be like this. It is now 15th formula. Here dr bar, it is the position vector. Position can be along x direction, position can be along y direction, position can be along z direction. So dx dy dz is nothing but dx I cap plus dy j. That is the meaning.
Sir, did you give these formulas before?
Yeah, before also. Before I given only E and dr. So E is nothing but ex I cap plus vy j cap plus ez k cap. So I dot I is equal to 1, j dot j equal to 1, k dot k equal to 1. So formula will be like.
I already gave this.
Sir,
Yeah.
sir, can we assume cos theta to be
Partial differentiation.
Cos theta to
sir,
be?
can we assume cos theta to be 1 because E and R are along same direction?
Yes. Most of the things that we will discuss like that only. Cos theta we will make as a 1. But based on situation, sometimes there will be some angle. So that time we have to consider even cos theta also.
Sir, I have a doubt. Sir, we have relative velocity, we have relative time. Sir, do we have relative mass?
Relative time is there.
Yes, sir, like if I say at a point, if A...
Time does not depending on the frame of reference.
Yes, sir, but we can find by how much time difference is there between two bodies, right?
No, that is not relative actually.
Sir, but it's kind of relative only, no, sir.
Time is not relative quantity. It does not depending on the frame of reference. So which quantities will depending on the frame of reference, basing on between them that we can see the relative velocity actually. If you consider like that, one mass is 5 kg, one mass is 7 kgs, then there is a relative difference, no? But that are not, it won't depending on the frame of references.
Yes, I got it.
So can you repeat what you just said?
Time does not depending on the frame of reference, I said. So relative time is not there because time does not depending on the frame of reference, no? Velocity depends on the frame of reference. Okay. Acceleration depends on the frame of reference. Displacement depends on the frame of reference. Time does not depending on the frame of reference. Time is same if you see from any frame of reference. But velocity can appear different in when you are observing from the different types of frames. Okay. Even displacement also, it can we can see different from the different frames. Suppose cricket pitch, when you are seeing from far distance in this frame, from here when you are seeing this, it looks as very long. Okay, but same pitch when you are seeing from here, it looks like very small. So displacement, it depends on the frame of reference. But time, if you see from anywhere, if it is 6 o'clock, it will be 6 o'clock only. That's all. Ask me clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, it does not depend on the frame of reference. Even mass. Okay, one problem we will solve. Still formulas are there. Just a minute, even that formulas also we will write off, then it will get over. Escape velocity formula? Escape velocity formula? Root 2 gr. One more formula also it is there. G
Yes,
plus
sir.
gm by r square if you place, then gm by r also can be there. Okay. So don't worry, don't get any confusion. 2 g place gm by r square if you place, so gm by r will be remain. Since small g equal to gm by r square, we can write like this. Escape velocity. Orbital velocity root 2 gr. Sorry, gr. It can be like gm by r. Orbital velocity. If it is orbiting at certain height, suppose if you feel, then g r plus h. Can we?
Yes, sir.
If it is orbital means like sub, we know, right? If you consider this height is very negligible, you don't need to do anything. If you consider there is a certain height, it is the radius of earth and it is height, so r plus h is the distance. So it is the earth, so it is the satellite, so we can take like that. Escape velocity, orbital velocity. Time period formula, can you say? It is formula number. Be careful, okay, how many formulas that we have written.
T
Each and
square
every
is equal to
formula that you
direct.
should know, and how we have calculated also you should know. Then only we can do anything in this lesson. Otherwise we can't. Each and every formula I explained how to derive, because they can ask write expression for escaping velocity, derive expression for escape velocity, or show orbital
2,
velocity
2
equal.
pi under root of r by g. Hello, sir. Are you able to hear me?
Tell me once again, Prashant.
Hello, sir. Hello.
Tell me,
I
Prashant.
am not able to hear you, sir. That's why I'm calling again. Now
I
I'm
can
able
hear
to
you,
hear.
Prashant. I can hear you. Tell me.
Sir, formula is
So we
2
will
pi
write
r by orbital velocity, and finally we'll get
time period equal
2
to
pi under root of r plus h by gh. That is
Sir, instead of
gravitation.
remembering under root, we can write t square is equal to 4 pi.
yes, even
Yes, sir, that is much better because we know Kepler's law, right? So
yes, t square
correlate.
A
Is
cube.
equal to 4 pi square small r
4 pi square
small r cube by
small r cube by capital
gm.
gm,
Yes,
capital
sir,
gm.
that's it. Sir, that's it.
In the capital gm place, you know, right, what can you write? Oh god, it's not visible.
So it is t minus 2 pi root of r by.
T minus, not t minus. So he's telling one more formula, so time period, that is 4 pi square r cube by gm whole square. 4 pi square. Even gm is nothing but gr square also. Okay, gm is nothing but gr square. Will you ask how? Don't ask, okay, because small g equal to capital gm by r square. From this gm equal to, even we can get like that. We can even write here if you want, otherwise leave that. So that's what the one more formula that we learned. Write down.
What about t square equal to r cube? Sir,
Tell me, Santosh.
so what about t equal to r cube?
Yeah,
That's directly proportional or something, right?
T cube.
Was the t square directly proportional to r cube?
Is there a time period, no? Oh, T1 by T2, okay, square equal to R1 by, that's what, are you asking about that formula?
Yes, sir.
Sir, actually, sir, you are right, sir. The Kepler estimated to be
1 minute. Uh, Hello?
yes, sir.
Nagabhushan, tell me, Mana.
Sir, actually, sir, you are right, sir. T square is directly proportional to R cube. That statement is wrong, actually. You know why, sir? Sir, because if you take an ellipse
Ellipse, yes.
with some fixed eccentricity, sir,
There is a
there
fixed
is
eccentricity.
no, like, sir, there is no formula which can calculate the perimeter. Estimations are there, sir, and yes, sir, only estimations. We can produce estimations with some error, but we
Yes.
can't actually find the exact perimeter. That is why those relations were wrong.
Yes, ma. Okay, so this is the, I don't know what is the formula numbers that you have to give. One more formula it is, when you are solving problems, at least if you have idea of the formula, then you can do something. Okay, so when we are solving problems, let's see.
Oh, what did you do in the last two steps? The formula is written, the last two formulas written.
So here, it is the one formula, okay? Even it is also one more formula, it is for t square actually, not sir. T square formula.
Yeah, that's what I was doubtful about.
Yes, ma.
T or T square.
Yes, it is the t square formula. And again, in the GM place, even if you want, you can give GR square also, okay? You can write there is a relation. Next part is very easy. First lesson only itself, it will get complete within 2 classes, I guess. Very easy. First lesson itself. Next, second part is very easy than first part. Mostly first part is a very huge actually. So that's why no need to get worried. Maybe by this month ending only, we can complete 2 lessons at least in the second part also, I feel. Let's see.
So how many lessons do we have in the second part?
There are still
6 chapters. No, sir.
6. Yeah, there are still 6 chapters are there. Okay, now velocity at apogee. How much velocity at apogee? We calculated, no? Perigee, apogee. So velocity at apogee, how much I given?
Sir, apogee is the highest point of the.
Sir, square root of gm by a into 1.
Square root of gm by a.
1 minus c by 1 plus c, I guess.
1 minus c by 1 plus c.
Yes, sir.
Velocity at perigee, gm by a, 1 plus e by 1 minus e.
Yes, sir.
Okay, these are also important formulas only that you have to remember. So here, let's see one problem. Whatever the formulas I given, basing on that problem. Okay, look at this. Which formula that you will use? Let me know. Because now you have all formulas in your hand. So let's see.
Sir, one doubt, sir. Don't be angry, sir.
No. Why angry?
Sir, one confusion I'm having, sir. Where is Apache located and where is Perigee located?
If you take a ellipse, okay, sun can be anywhere. Okay, sun can be any one foci, like here or here. Okay, so I will consider here. Okay, so planet will be here. Now it is what? Largest distance, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, the Prashant, yeah. Then largest distance is called perigee or apogee?
Perigee, sir.
Perigee.
Sir,
No,
Apache,
sir.
Largest distance is called apogee. Okay.
Apache. Some
And
confusion, sir.
yeah, obviously. So how can we remember? It is smallest distance is called
Perigee.
perigee. Okay, small sp, small sp, large bl. So remember like that. Okay.
So where have you written that it's not visible?
No, it is the smallest distance, right? In even I given that notes. So if is the sun.
Yeah, that I understood. I thought you're writing something on the board.
No. So it is the sun. Its nearest point is called perigee. Farthest point is called apogee. So that remember. Now see the sum. Which formula that you will use? Let me know and do.
So for the question that you just now gave, we have to use what?
I didn't give. I'm going to give.
Oh.
The gravitational field in a region is given by E. Gravitational field intensity means definitely it is a vector quantity only, no doubt. Newton per kg. Okay. The gravitational
So we can't see, sir.
Okay, that is just gravitational. Okay, just gravitation region is given by this much. So intensity, gravitational field intensity given this much. That's all. Now the gravitational field, the gravitational potential at the gravitational potential at points 3 meters, 0 and 0, 4 meters. 4 meters. 0, 4. Oh God, you can see that.
So there are two different points and we should find for each of the point, right?
Yeah, there are two different points one is 3 meters comma 0, one is 0 comma 4 meters. So
Sir, can't
potential
see.
at points. Okay, I will erase this.
So I think you can rub the above formulas and write the rest of the question there.
Yes, ma. Yes. Yes. So 2 points. One is 3 meters comma 0 and 0 comma 4 meters. This is what. And potential at origin, assume 0. Okay, origin is 0. Just what? So potential at origin equal to 0. That you have to take. That's all. Potential at origin equal to 0. That's what. Now
Done.
Done. Can you say which formula that you use?
Sir.
Here, this is what they have given and this is what they have given. Okay. So E and V. What is the relation is there between E and V? What they have given, what we have to calculate? What they have given, what we have to calculate?
Sir, they have given E and we have to find V.
So V equal to E bar dot dr bar. Did you remember?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So E is nothing but here 4I cap plus 3J cap dot, I don't know what you people will do now. dr. One is X component, one is Y component. One is X component, one is Y component.
Sir, we
First,
break first position vectors.
Yes, position vectors. Now, first
Sir,
one. Tell me.
Sir, shouldn't it be negative sign?
It can be negative. Negative sign is there always.
Sir, it is negative.
It is negative. It is always.
Yes, sir.
In formula itself, we will get negative. Okay. So minus 4I cap plus 3J cap dot. Now what will you give here? Here 3 meters means X component, Y component. X component, Y component they have given. What will you do?
Okay, that M is meters.
0 I cap.
M is meters, ma. So dot, can I give 3 X
3 I cap?
3 I cap?
Yes, sir.
Prashant, right?
Yes, sir. We can
now I dot I, how much?
Yes, sir.
I dot I equal to?
Sir, 1.
So 3 into 4. So minus 12 will be there. I dot.
Sir, that's 0.
It will become 0. Done. 1 is over. It is because.
Sir, joule per meter or Newton?
It is?
Joule per meter.
Joule per meter. Okay. Now one more. So, okay, I will write here. Minus 4 I cap plus 3 J cap dot 4 J
So
cap.
how did you get 12 joule per meter?
I dot I, how much? 1. Okay. So 3 into 4, 12. Okay. Minus is there, so minus 12.
And you neglected the.
No, we didn't neglect, ma. I dot J, 0.
Oh yeah, 0, 0.
So it will become 0.
I
Okay.
forgot. Yeah, got it.
This total will become 0. Similarly.
Sir, I did different method.
Is it?
Like E bar is equal to minus dV by dr bar, right? So I wrote.
Okay, you written like 3 I cap plus 4 J cap, huh?
Sir, no, sir. Like I wrote minus 4x minus 3y.
Minus 4x minus 3y.
Yes, sir. Like I integrated in terms of x and y axis. That's why.
Okay. Okay.
Sir, if it is I
don't know why you did integration.
Sir, because we know that differentiation will remove x, no, sir.
Yes.
So put back x.
So you took formula integration E bar or dr bar?
Yes, sir.
You
So
can.
the dr bar, rx and ry will come.
Yes.
I put x and y, then I substituted 3 comma 0 and 0 comma 4.
Yes, yes, you can. Nice. Even you can do like that. Okay, now here what will happen means for I cap, j cap, it will become 0. 3 into 4, 12. So minus 12 j cap. Sorry, cap, no need j cap because potential is a scalar. So
the minus will be out of the bracket, right?
yes, out of the bracket. Minus is out of the bracket. Like this.
So that is alternate method.
Yes, that is alternate method. Actually, whatever he used, v equal to minus integration x1 to x2 limits will be there. That limits. So E bar dot dr bar. So E is, we can write E and dr. It can be along x, y, z direction. It can be along x, y, z direction. So this formula will become like integration x1 limits that we can apply. Okay, limits we can apply. So ex dx plus ey dy. More other terms, z term they didn't give, so no need to use. Okay, z terms they didn't give. We can now this integration we have to separately we can write integration ex dx. So x limits that you have to give. X limits is 0 to 3 plus integration ey dy. Y limits we have to give from.
So is that the second method or is it a
It is second
continuation?
method. It is just second method.
So the first method is over, right?
Over. Up to here on. Even we can do like this. Here also if you get the same thing that you will get minus 12 only you will get. So enough. Do only first method, it will be easy. One more problem that we can do. There are method of problems, okay? So can do that. One more problem that we can write. If G on the surface of Earth is 9.8 meter per second square, find its value at a depth of 3200 kilometers, radius 6400 kilometers. Do this. And the third problem, it is a problem what am I going to give? That is homework. Find the value of G. First question, at height of 100 kilometers, at a height of 100 kilometers. Second,
It's from the core, no?
yes, at a height means surface, not from core. Okay, surface. At a height 6400 kilometers from the
It's at 4.9 meters per second square for second question.
second question, huh? First question.
Yeah. Oh, second question, sir.
Yeah. Prashant, yes, ma. 4.9 answer also. Answers 4.9 meter per second square. Yes. So height from the surface of the earth. And radius we know r equal to 6400 kilometers, and g equal to 9.8 meter per second square also they given. Is do as a homework. So mostly one more class also we will focus on the problems only.
So could you write that on top?
Yeah, actually radius is common, no? Radius here what they have given, r equal to 6400 kilometers, and g equal to 9.8 meter per second square. That's all. So in the next class also we will discuss on the mostly on problems only. Now NCERT problems also will be there in that. Okay, so next class don't absent. Tomorrow we will discuss about problems, what problems they have given in NCERT. Everything mostly I will try to solve. What are the easy questions are there, that I will give homework. Remaining questions, if any difficult questions are there, I will solve. Okay, so by tomorrow mostly for up to board everything is clear. One more topic is there, that is gravitational field due to sphere, solid sphere, hollow sphere, and there is a disk. Okay, that is for IIT concept. Even that concept also I will explain. Okay, so remember what we have discussed in the gravitation. Any concept if you have doubt, please ask me. That concept I will explain. Okay, because concept should be very clear, then only you can remember the formulas. Otherwise if you simply by heart the formulas, no use. Suppose a relation between E and V, there is a concept, otherwise how we will get that relation? And what is the gravitational potential energy, what is potential, what is gravitational field intensity? Concept is very very important, so study concept properly.
So could you once try to resend the edited PDF?
Yes, I will. Okay, once I will
Okay.
recheck. Now it is easy, only just wherever I didn't give the marks, that questions if I see, that's enough. Okay, see you in the next class.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.